Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by validating the inputs so the join can succeed. Inspect column names and data types, and make sure keys share the same format. Trim whitespace and normalize case. Once done, sample 1,000 rows to verify patterns without heavy cost and confirm nulls or duplicates on the join key. If you detect mismatched types, cast explicitly to a common type. These checks avoid silent failures and shape the next corrective actions you'll take. Now perform the join with explicit fixes applied so results are predictable. Cast or parse keys first, then pick the join type that matches intent, inner to drop non-matches or left to retain all left rows. Apply clean predicates and avoid wrapping the join key in functions at runtime because that disables indexes and slows queries. Once you run on a sample and confirm counts, scale to full data with a keyed or indexed plan. These steps reduce mismatches. Finish by validating and making the fix repeatable so you don't regress. Compare pre- and post-join row counts and compute match rate. Sample mismatches to see if formatting, encoding, or hidden characters persist. If problems remain, isolate offending values and either normalize them or build a small mapping table to reconcile variance. Make changes idempotent, add a regression test, and rerun the job. If things go wrong, one quick tip: rerun the sample with explicit byte length and hex output to reveal hidden characters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.